Welcome to solverfy.
Hello students, in this question, a rocket is launched off from the earth and the engine of the rocket shuts off when the rocket is at the velocity v is equal to 4.80 km per second. And the maximum height it reached during its flight is 2,530 km. And we have to calculate the height at which the rocket engine shuts off. So the maximum height it's reached only 2,530 km. We have to calculate at which altitude the engines of the rocket shuts off, or at which altitude its velocity is 4.8 km per second, because the engine shuts off when its velocity is 4.80 km per second. And provided it is given that mass of the earth is 5.97 into 10 power 24 kg and its radius of earth is given as 6.37 into 10 power 6 meter. So in order to calculate the altitude at which the engine shuts off, we can take the formula v squared is equal to 2 square u squared plus 2as. Since the initial velocity u is equal to 0, we have v squared is equal to 2as. Therefore, now we can calculate the distance is by substituting the known value. V squared is 4.80 km per second, the whole square is equal to 2 into a is acceleration due to gravity, so meter per second square, into s. Therefore, when it is squared and converted into meter, it is 23040000 meter square per second square is equal to 19.62 meter per second square into s. Therefore, s is equal to, on rearranging this, we can have so this meter and meter will get cancelled, and second square will get cancelled. Therefore, calculating this numerical value, we will be getting s is equal to 1174.3 kilometer. So when the engine shuts off, rocket was at the distance of 1174.3 kilometer above the surface of the earth. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you.